let's rock. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, students and teachers. Welcome to this Tuesday edition of Tiger Cub TV. My name's Sam.
My name's Amelia.
Today is Tuesday, September 27th.
Let's go to Mirala's for sports and weather.
Good morning, AC, and I'm Marilla, and I'll be bringing you the latest in weather and sports today. You can expect isolated thunderstorms today. The high is expected to be 88 degrees with a low of 62 degrees. Now for the latest in sports. Auburn High School's football team Auburn High School's football team will have an open week this week. Auburn University will be playing Louisiana Monroe Saturday night at 2:30 at Jordan Hare. War Eagle. That's all for now. Back to you, announcers.
Thank you, Mary Lyle, for our sports and other report.
Now let's go back to Mirala for our lunch menu.
I'm back to bring you the latest from the AAC Tiger Cub Cafe. Today for lunch, we will be having lasagna, green peas, fresh fruit, and a breadstick or a fresh fruit muffin box. Sounds good. I can't wait for lunch. Back to you, announcers.
Thanks, Mary Lyle. Those lunches sound delicious. Our lunch made is like a great lunch.
Mahari Reeves from his Pew classes, our guest pledge announcer. Please stand for the pledge and remain standing for the moment of silence.
I pledge allegiance to the flag and the United States of America, to the republics for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, and liberty and justice for all.
Thanks for joining us on this Tuesday edition of Tiger Cub TV.
We hope you have a terrific Tuesday, and we'll see you again tomorrow.